What everyone should know about managing their stock portfolio. Stock market investing is not for the faint of heart. You can earn a lot by trading stocks, but you can also suffer big losses. In order to make your investment decisions with the greatest possible wisdom and potential for profit, you need all of the stock market know-how you can get. This video can help. Do not blindly follow the recommendations of your investment broker without doing some due diligence of your own. Ensure that the investment is registered with the SEC and find some background information on the way that the investment has performed in the past. There have been instances of fraud whereby the information presented by the broker was fabricated. Exercise patience and control in your investments. The stock market tends to have many investment opportunities that are favorable one day, and not so favorable the next. Keep up with long-term investments rather than getting caught up in flash-in-the-pan opportunities that may fizzle out in no time. Stocks are much more than the paper that certifies your shares. When you own stock, you own a piece of a company. This grants you rights to company earnings. You can often get a vote in elections regarding board members. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. If a return is being guaranteed, there's a good chance that fraud is involved. There is no way to take part in investing without some risk, and any broker that tells you otherwise is lying. This is not a person that you want to place your money with. As stated from above, there are many things you can apply in order to ensure your money is safe when investing in stocks. Rather than taking a chance with your hard-earned cash, use the advice that you watch here, to get the best possible return on your money. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.